Hi Foodie, Chef Pete here. Today I am preparing a 2-pound, and I took the bone out, Anthony will show you here, pork roast. Okay, this is a shoulder piece of pork meat, 2 pounds, and I took the bone out that was in here because what we're going to do is make the Italian porchetta, okay, the porchetta, which will be a rolled slow cooker. I'm going to do it. And we're going to make it delicious, tasty, garlicky, sagey, rosemary-ish, everything delicious, okay? So watch how I do this, because this must be done for at least 1 day. You need to marinate this in your refrigerator, and you will follow the way I do this. We will show you how, okay? All right, so here we go. First things first, if it has a bone, take it out. I took it out. And we're going to put this back together, and then we're going to roll it up like this. Roll it up like this, and then I'm going to tie it, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is give it some salt. We'll give it some salt here. Some salt on the inside. This is the inside we're doing, okay? Remember, we're doing the inside, okay? And some pepper. Now, if you like red pepper flakes, you can put them, or you don't have to put them. Now here I have in here some rubbed sage, some rubbed beautiful Turkish rosemary, beautiful rosemary. I have some parsley. I've got some fennel seeds, delicious. This is going to be a great roast. And I just put the garlic. I got some powdered garlic. You can put whatever kind of garlic you like. Freeze-dried, regular, chop it yourself, whatever you like. So we're going to put this in the middle like this, just like this. We're going to put it in there, just like this. Okay, and I'm going to hold some of this back because I want to use that later on. You could rub this with olive oil if you like before you do. It's purely up to you. Okay, so then take this with your twine and just bring it up together like this. Bring it up together, and then we're going to do we're going to bring it together, and then we're going to pull it just like this. Just like this. So we need to get him just like this. Perfect. Okay. Let's get that out of there. And then let's, whoops, that got stuck on me. Okay, and then what we're going to do is just tie this little baby up like this. Okay, see how we do this? Okay.
And you're putting olive oil in?
We're just marinating the inside, Anthony. Thank you for that comment. Okay, so I'm going to get this all tied up, and I'll show you how it looks. Just roll them over, just like this, and then we're going to tie him up, okay? All right, so there we have it. And then we'll marinate him in the refrigerator overnight. Okay, so this is Pete. We'll see you later. I'll show you in the next tape it all tied up and almost there. Pete out.